Thank you all for waiting patiently to see us. I appreciate it. However, our beautiful, funny, cheeky little girl should have turned 3 last month. Not a minute of the day goes by when we don't think about her and wish she was with us. She lit up the room with her infectious laugh and her mesmerising brown eyes. And there's a void in our lives that can never, ever be filled. The past year has been the worst of our lives, and while we know that nothing can bring her back, one of the hardest things has been coming to terms with the fact that no one will face prosecution for her death. The vehicle was mechanically sound. It would not have moved had it been properly secured. The loophole in the law that the vehicle started its descent on private rather than public land has stopped us getting justice for our daughter. We shouldn't be at the Coroners Court today. Instead, the law as it stands has prevented us any repercussions for what was not a fluke accident and could have been completely avoided had the handbrake been fully applied and the automatic transmission correctly placed in park. This is why we are now calling upon the government to change the law so that no other families have to suffer what we have. We have already met with our MP, Gerald Jones, who is keen to work with us and table a private member's bill. On this, and we will be doing everything we can to ensure that we are successful for Pearl. If it means I have to walk to London, which I will be doing, to enter this bill. We would like to thank sincerely from the bottom of our hearts the South Wales Police, namely Tony Farr, who's done everything within his power to support us up until this point. Our hearts are broken beyond repair, and life will never be the same without our darling Swirls. We can only hope this will serve as a warning to other motorists that just seconds inattention can cause utter devastation, as it has with us. And I would also just like to thank my brief Mr. Richard Langton, who I'd like to say something now on our behalf, what our future plans intend to be. Thank you very much.
As a result of the evidence that we've heard today in the Coroner's Court, the family have asked me to contact the CPS to see whether it's possible for them to review the decision not to make a prosecution, because it appears to us that there's a prospect of bringing a claim for gross negligence manslaughter as a result of the evidence that was given today in court.
Thank you.